Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Firstrade. If you don't have a Firstrade account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get free stocks. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Accounts. Under Accounts, you will see several tabs. Click on the Profile tab. Then under Profile, you will see another tabs. Click on the tab that says Login/PIN. Now, you will see a section for two-factor authentication. Under two-factor authentication, you will see a Turn On button for 2FA. Click on the Turn 2FA button. To enable two-factor authentication, you have to enter your password. After entering, click on Submit. That's how you enable two-factor authentication on Firstrade. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.